In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in Notion. If you've ever found yourself staring at a cluttered database in Notion, unsure of how to clean it up, don't worry. Deleting a column isn't as daunting as it seems, and by following these simple steps, you'll have your workspace tidied up in no time. Firstly, you'll want to open Notion. You can do this by navigating to the Notion app or going directly to the website. This is your central hub for all things related to task management, documentation, and personal planning. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in to your account so you can access your pages and databases where changes will be made. Next, you'll need to locate the specific page containing the database with the column you want to delete. Whether it's a task list, a project tracker, or any other database, simply click on the page title to access its contents. Notion's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate between pages. If you're struggling to find your page, use the search feature for a quicker route. Now that you're on the correct page, the next step is to identify the column you want to delete. Take a closer look at your database layout. Scroll horizontally, if needed, to pinpoint the exact column. Click on the column header, which should highlight it, signaling that you're selecting it for editing. This clarity in selection ensures that you're making changes to the correct property without any confusion. Once the column is selected, you're ready to proceed with the deletion. Within the column options, there should be an option labeled Delete Property. This command might be located in a drop-down menu or directly in the options list, depending on your current Notion version or custom settings. By clicking this option, you are initiating the removal of that specific column. Finally, to confirm this action, simply click Delete. Notion may prompt you with a final confirmation to ensure that you want to remove the column permanently, as this action cannot be undone once confirmed. It is important to be certain of your choice. If you're managing critical data, consider exporting or backing up your database beforehand, just in case you need to retrieve any information later. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a column in Notion. With these clear instructions, you can streamline your database, making it more efficient and organized. Remember, a tidy workspace helps improve focus and productivity, so take the time to regularly review and update your pages. If you need further guidance or wish to explore more features of Notion, feel free to check out additional tutorials or the robust Notion community resources available online.